Hello everyone. I hope to find you all in the best of your health. I'm Shweta Agarwal from the land of Seven Sisters, Assam. The name of our venture is Nirbhay Jal, which is the Asmus for pure or unadulterated. We deal in natural, chemical-free, handmade green tea, black tea and real Kashmir saffron. It so happened that few years ago I came across these small farmers who deal in absolutely unadulterated teas. It intrigued me and I went to their farm to see the process. There they showed me these crawling worms and they told us that Didi, see, we don't use any kind of pesticide whatsoever. For fertilizers we use cow dung, tulsi water, metica, which is a kind of algae. Now, the problem with them is they face a lot of obstacles in terms of transportation, language, licensing. So I thought, why don't we become the bridge between them and the end consumers? So here we introduced these teas under our branding, which is Nirbhay Jal, and we package it, we sell it, and after that we added another product to our basket, which is real Kashmir saffron. Since many years I was in the lookout for actual genuine saffron, but here we could procure it from a place where it is actually cultivated, its farm, and it's again chemical free. So another product added to our basket is saffron. We even introduced it at various e-commerce platforms like Amazon, Flipkart, Olive Tree, Grameen, Luke Wellness Market, etc. We are in the lookout for other genuine products which have a single point of origin so that the farmers can have a say in their pricing. See, it creates a win-win situation for everyone, the producer, middle person, and even the end consumer. I have spent a good number of years in Bombay city and I know how much city people value handmade, good for health, original, genuine products. We hope to achieve great heights and build our model on cradle to cradle approach. And finally, I'm utterly grateful to you all for providing me with this opportunity and really looking forward to your kind guidance and support. Thank you so much.